to that, because this is in fact a surjective homomorphism. And so this shows us that we can build complex numbers, in fact, as a polynomial quotient. Complex numbers are polynomials mod the ideal generated by x squared plus 1. That's in fact a very good way of, maybe the best way of building complex numbers. Right? So yeah. So I guess it'd probably be good for us to understand this theorem more deeply. Let's spend some time on that next time. Yeah? We have time. In my next, so like I got this lecture, and then my next lecture is I think 25. And I think these more or less will they'll match up with like chapter 9 in Dummett and Foote. Oh, rats, I'm over an hour. Now there's a second video, but I might as well keep going now. I will stop soon. But in Dummett and Foote, if you cut out the laughing, I was under an hour. So, but in Dummett and Foote in chapter 9, I just wanted to confess I'm not covering the hardest section. Like we're hopefully just covering like sections up through the last section he's got on something called Grosvenor bases. Those are scary and hard. And so I'm not going to do that to you guys, but understand that you actually need to know those things to do algebraic geometry. Like Grosvenor bases are what you need to extend like the division algorithm and things like this to polynomials of several variables. And it's complicated because you have to put this sort of artificial ordering on the multivariate polynomials, and it's tough. And if I had more time, I'd dig into it and give you a lecture on it, but I don't, so I'm aware of my weakness, and I'm not going to do it. But if somebody wanted to give a talk on Grosvenor basis, that would actually be a very legit topic if you're interested. So anyway, I shut up. Have a good weekend, you guys.